One Mobile Banking Review 2025 Worth it or leave it? If you've been thinking about switching your banking to a mobile-first platform, you've probably heard of One Mobile Banking. But in 2025, with so many digital banks, neobanks, and fintech apps available, is One Mobile Banking still worth your time or should you leave it behind? Today, we're going to break down everything you need to know about One Mobile Banking, including its features, benefits, drawbacks, fees, and whether it truly fits into a modern financial lifestyle. Let's start with the basics. One Mobile Banking is designed to offer a fully digital banking experience. Unlike traditional banks with physical branches, everything is managed through the app or online platform. This means you can open an account, manage your money, pay bills, and transfer funds all from your smartphone. If you're someone who prefers to handle finances without stepping into a branch, this could be a major advantage. But most people get this wrong. Digital banking convenience comes with both freedoms and limitations, and it's important to understand both sides before deciding. One of the biggest advantages of One Mobile Banking is account accessibility. Opening an account is straightforward, with no long paperwork and often no credit check, depending on the account type. You can typically set up a checking and savings account in under 10 minutes. Direct deposit is supported, meaning you can have your paycheck deposited automatically and access funds quickly. In 2025, early access to paychecks is increasingly common, and One Mobile Banking offers early direct deposit for eligible employers. This feature alone can be the game changer for people living paycheck to paycheck. Another standout feature is the app itself. The One Mobile Banking app is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. You can track spending in real time, categorize transactions, set budget goals, and receive instant alerts. These features make it easier to control your finances and avoid overdraft fees. You won't believe how many users underestimate the impact of real-time notifications. Having instant alerts for transactions can prevent accidental overspending and keep your account balanced. One Mobile Banking also offers a debit card that is accepted everywhere Visa or MasterCard is accepted. The card integrates with digital wallets such as Apple Pay and Google Pay, making contactless payments seamless. In 2025, this is almost essential, as more retailers and service providers prefer digital wallet payments over cash or physical cards. For online shopping, bill payments, and everyday purchases, having a digital-first debit card simplifies life significantly. Security is another key consideration. One Mobile Banking employs encryption, multi-factor authentication, and fraud monitoring to protect your money and personal information. Most users assume that digital banks are less secure than traditional banks, but in reality, many mobile-first platforms have robust security systems that rival or even exceed those of legacy institutions. Additionally, funds held in One Mobile Banking accounts are FDIC insured up to applicable limits, providing peace of mind that your money is safe. Now let's talk about fees. One Mobile Banking in 2025 offers accounts with low or no monthly fees, which is a major advantage over traditional banks. ATM withdrawals are generally free at in-network ATMs, though out-of-network withdrawals may carry a fee. Unlike prepaid cards, there are no mandatory reload fees, and overdraft protection is often optional. However, it's important to read the fine print, because certain premium features like expedited transfers or physical checks can come with additional costs. The surprising truth about mobile banking is that even accounts marketed as fee-free may still incur charges for convenience features, so being aware of the fee structure is critical. One Mobile Banking also provides a savings account with competitive interest rates. While rates fluctuate with market conditions, in 2025, these digital savings accounts often offer higher yields than traditional brick-and-mortar banks. Users can set up automatic transfers from checking to savings, helping to build financial discipline and long-term savings growth. For example, if you consistently transfer $500 per month to a high-yield savings account, you could see substantial growth over a year compared to a standard checking account with little or no interest. Peer-to-peer payments are another strong suit. You can send and receive money instantly to friends, family, or colleagues who also use One Mobile Banking. This feature is similar to Cash App or Venmo but integrated directly into your bank account, eliminating the need to link multiple apps. This makes splitting bills, reimbursing friends, or managing household expenses simpler and more streamlined. However, there are limitations to consider. Because One Mobile Banking is digital first, there are no physical branches. This could be a drawback for users who prefer face-to-face interactions, need in-person assistance, or regularly deposit cash. Additionally, While the app offers budgeting and tracking tools, it may not be as feature-rich as some dedicated personal finance apps. For advanced investors or those seeking credit-building tools, you may need to complement One Mobile Banking with additional financial products. Let's put this into perspective with a practical example. Imagine a user who earns $3,000 per month and wants to manage bills, groceries, and savings digitally. They set up direct deposit, use the debit card for all purchases, and automatically transfer $500 to savings each month. They receive instant transaction alerts and can send money to roommates or family members without any hassle. With careful management, fees are minimal, and the high-yield savings earns a bit of extra interest. While they don't have branch access, the convenience and control offered by the app outweigh the lack of physical locations for their lifestyle. When comparing One Mobile Banking to other digital banks in 2025, the decision comes down to priorities. Competitors like Chime, Barrow, or Current offer similar features: fee-free accounts, early direct deposit, and budgeting tools. One Mobile Banking differentiates itself with a sleek interface, optional high-yield savings, and seamless peer-to-peer payments within the platform. It may not have the same brand recognition as larger neobanks, but the functionality is competitive and in some cases superior. In conclusion, One Mobile Banking in 2025 is worth considering if you value a fully digital banking experience, low fees, early direct deposit, and convenient money management tools. It is especially suitable for tech-savvy users who don't rely on cash deposits and are comfortable handling finances via their smartphone. On the flip side, if you need branch access, advanced investment tools, or credit-building features, it may be worth exploring additional banking options alongside One Mobile Banking. Overall, One Mobile Banking provides a flexible, secure, and accessible platform for modern banking. Its strengths lie in convenience, digital-first features, and user-friendly budgeting tools. The key is to assess your personal financial needs and decide whether the benefits of mobile banking outweigh the limitations. The surprising truth is that, in 2025, digital banking is not just a trend, it's a practical alternative to traditional banking, and One Mobile Banking holds its own in a crowded market. For users seeking simplicity, accessibility, and control, it remains a viable option that is definitely worth exploring.